What you wanted to
Yeah,
do?
I wanna fight some competitive exam. Then let's see what
Hmm.
will be.
Like what?
Yeah.
Like what competitive exam? What?
Like some state exams and some like central exam like that.
Like some? Yes. It means that you are not clear yet.
I'm clear, but yeah, I don't wanna share in public. That's
Why? 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 Look, if you will share over here, look, if you will share over here, people get motivated. That's great. How are you, dear? How are you?
yeah, I'm super duper fantastic.
That's nice. That sounds good. Where are you from, dear?
I'm from Chhattisgarh. What about you?
I am from Gujarat.
Oh, came to.
Yes, great. I'm very well. Thank you. I'm from Gujarat.
Okay, okay, yeah, I know Gujarat.
Yes, you know Gujarat, huh?
Yeah, yeah, I
How
know.
how did you know about me, dear? How did you know about me?
You are a famous YouTuber on YouTube, so how I will
Really?
not know?
Isn't it?
Yeah,
I am a
definitely,
famous.
definitely. That's why I
Y-
know.
Yes, yes. I see. What you do, dear? What you do?
Yeah, I'm a college student. Yeah.
Mm. What you studying?
I'm a BA second year student, BA, Bachelor of Art.
Bachelor in Arts, second year.
Yeah.
What will you do then after third year? What's your intent? What you wanted to
Yeah,
do?
I wanna fight some competitive exam. Then let's see
Mm-hmm.
what will be.
Like what?
Yeah.
Like what competitive exam? What?
Like some state exams and some like central exam like that.
Like some? Yes. It means that you are not clear yet.
I'm clear, but yeah, I don't wanna share in public. That's
Why? 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 Look, if you will share over here, look, if you will share over here, people get motivated from you. They'll get inspired by you. They will get
no,
some
I
idea.
yeah. But in my situation, my opinion is if without success, I will give motivational thoughts and anything. The people will be not attracted. When I will become, I will get
Mhm.
power. Then people they will be motivated with me from
I
me.
see. And
Yeah.
how? Like, who motivated you? Who motivated you to do UPSC and these things?
Not UPSC like that,
Mm,
but I'm
Uh,
a self motivator, and some family members also they motivate me
I
always.
see. I see. So why you wanted to go in a government, like government job, government examination? What's the reason behind it?
I want a power firstly
You wanna?
for do yeah, I want to do
Yeah.
something, many things for many people, many help, etc. So
Mm.
I want a power firstly, then I will do.
So it's mean like it's indicate me that you want power. So definitely you will go for IPS and something like that. IPS, ASI, something like that. Isn't it?
I
I'm
don't
right.
know. I don't know. I,
That's nice.
I don't
That's
know.
very good. You don't
Okay,
know,
so
huh?
yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure about that.
I see. Well, you must be sure about that, dear. But that's cool that if you don't want to share over here, that's issue. No problem.
Yeah.
No problem. No problem. No problem.
No.
That, no problem at all.
But may I know about you something? I just watched your videos, but can you give me your introduction?
Yeah, please tell me. You can ask me whatever you want to know. I'll give you an answer over here. Tell me. What do you want to know?
Okay, so I just know about you like your name is Arif sir, and you
Mm.
do you drive auto, right?
Yes. Earlier I used to, but not now.
Oh, so now what do you do?
Like now you could say I teach English now.
Wow, English teacher. Wow.
I became English teacher, you could say. I became
Okay.
English
So
teacher.
I'm interested to know your English journey, about your English journey.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me. I'll
Okay,
give you the
so
answer.
when you started,
Like started what? Started my YouTube channel or
okay,
started my
no.
learning English
Firstly,
learning
YouTube
journey?
channel, English learning, then teaching,
Uh,
then YouTube channel.
well, I really don't know when I started learning English, but I have been learning my English since my childhood. English language was my favorite language and is my favorite language now. Still I am learning. I am not superior that I
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can't say myself that I am superior than other people. No, I am still learning. Every day I learn something new in English. And I start my YouTube 1.5 year ago. I'm not, yeah, 1.5 year ago, during the pandemic.
Oh,
And I
okay.
have been, I have been teaching for the people for the last 7 or 8 months. I have
So you
some
teach
students.
online or offline?
I teach online. I teach online. I
So I
don't
wanna
prefer
join your
off.
class also.
Definitely, definitely. Why not? You, anybody can join. Anybody can
But
join.
I'm not going to pay na for that.
No, no, no issue, no issue, no issue, no, no problem. I don't want. I am not here to earn money. I am here to, likewise you. I wanna also. I really want. I also wanted to help my people for my country. I really wanted to devote my life, my time for my country and my people. But the
So
thing
in
is, I don't
classes,
have a power.
so in classes, what you teach like every part of English, like reading, writing, like that, or only spoken English.
Only spoken English. Only spoken English. Only.
Okay.
Only
So
spoken English.
so on Telegram or Zoom, like what, where?
It's up to you. Like WhatsApp, Skype, emo. It's totally up to you where you are comfortable.
So like it is like a group study or only one or
No, no, 101 only.
oh
I don't prefer group study. I wanted to devote
why?
my entire time to my one student. Like I wanted to give my
Oh
100%. You know,
okay.
this is
So
something
today
different matter. This is something different matter. Yeah, tell
okay. Yeah.
me.
So today teach me something. I wanna learn
Yeah, tell.
something from you.
Yes, yes. Tell me, please tell me. What do you want to learn?
You
Look,
can teach me whatever you want.
how can I? How can I? Look, my method is that, during the conversation, if you made any mistake, or if you will make any mistake in the future, I'll interrupt you. I'll intervene you, and then I'll tell you that, Aanchal, you are making mistake, and you made a mistake over here. And that time I'll tell you. Otherwise,
Okay.
I would not disturb you during the conversation. But
Okay.
as soon as you make mistake, I'll interrupt you. This is my way of teaching.
Wow, nice way to teach.
Yeah.
I like.
Yes, yes, that's great.
Okay.
Tell me
Okay,
about
so
yourself, dear. Tell me about yourself. I want to
okay,
know what's
ask
your hobbies. What's your
okay,
hobbies?
okay, I have many hobbies.
Mm-hmm.
Like to study, play, exercise, little bit I
Mm-hmm.
like to do bike ride, cooking, farming, like that.
Mm-hmm. Farming. Tell me something about farming. If I wanted to, like, if I wanted to, like, plant a potato. I like potato. What is the initial stage? What we should do to plant a potato farm?
Like it is a very not a long process to in farming, like potato farming. It is a
Mm-hmm.
very short, like in but very careful farming.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
I don't interrupt. Like I can do every kind of farming with my father because I'm daughter of farmer. So
Mm-hmm.
whenever I get chance after my study, after my walk, so I go with my father in my farm. I
Mm-hmm.
have lots of farm. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Do you have any idea about that? I wanted to plant potato farm. Do you have any idea for that? What is the initial stage? What we should do at the first?
I have, but I don't think I can explain you.
Please start. Try. You
uh,
can try. Come on. If you have no idea, let it be. Tell
yeah.
me, tell me why you wanted to learn English.
I wanna I wanna polish my skills. I wanna learn many
Mm-hmm.
languages. I want to attract and contact easily with new people. So that's why
Mm-hmm.
I like to learn English.
That's only the one reason, or any other
Yeah.
reason behind that? That you
No,
wanted
that
to
is the
communicate,
only.
but in India, no need to learn English to communicate with people, to get to know each other people. That we Indian speaks Hindi, so with Hindi also you can get to each other, or you can communicate with other people in Hindi as well. But why only English?
Because now nowadays it's now everywhere you will see in English. Everything, mostly
Mm-hmm.
thing you will see in English. Like uh,
Mm-hmm.
uh food rapport. water bottle, and many people, village people, they are also using some words in English. If I will know, then I will teach, and I will also understand, no. It's
Mm-hmm. I
important
see.
nowadays.
Absolutely, absolutely. Are you trying to go out of the India, Achal? You
Yeah,
wanted to go out of the India?
I
Where
wanna
you wanted to go? Where you wanted to go?
again. I don't want to tell. When I will go, then I will tell.
Yes, definitely. God bless you, dear. God bless you. My God bless you soon as possible.
Yeah,
That's
thank
great.
you.
That's how many brothers and sisters do you have? How many family members in your family?
We are 30 members in my family. We are joint family.
13 member.
Where you live in Gujarat? Like I know Gandhi Nagar. Like so it's the capital.
Well, well, I live in Surat. It's like
Oh yeah, I
approximately
know.
300, 300 kilometer far away from Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is in Ahmedabad. It's a
Yeah,
capital of Gujarat. Gandhinagar,
yeah,
it's
yeah,
capital of Gujarat. Yes,
yeah.
yes.
And there people speak Gujarati.
No, not usually, but we people speak Gujarati, Hindi. This is our two main language. And you
So do you
will
know
like
Gujarati?
it's oh come on, I am a Gujarati.
So you said no, it's not a common. So that's why I thought.
No, no, it's not a common. Like you will not feel like if you don't know any, if you don't know Gujarati, there is no issue with that here in Gujarat. You know,
Yeah,
there is no issue. If you know Hindi very well, there is no big issue here in Gujarat.
yeah. So in study time, I just tell you came cho, but you don't reply to me. That's why I thought.
Well, હું મજામાં છું. તમે કેમ છો? હું તો મજામાં છું.
Jalshama.
તમે કેમ છો? તમે કેમ છો?
Jalshama. I think that is a reply.
જાલુસા?
Jalsha.
હું મજામાં છું. જાલુસા, what is જાલુસા?
Jalsa. Jalsa.
જલસા, જલસા, જલસા.
Yeah. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
no, no, no. I like this is very rare. Common people say that yeah, મજામાં છું. મજામાં છું. મજામાં છું.
Majamachu. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. What do you know? What do you know? Do you have any idea about Gujarat? You know something about Gujarat?
That not that much, but yeah, I'm studying, so I have little bit knowledge about lots of states. Yeah, little bit about many states.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I see. I see. So, Achal, you are studying in like English through English or through Hindi?
I am totally belong to Hindi medium student. Totally.
Totally belongs to Hindi medium, and your college is like what's the main language in the right now you are studying? What is the main language?
Hindi is main language and state language is Chhattisgarhi. But people
I
they
see.
speak mostly Hindi.
I see. I see. Speak Hindi, huh? I see.
Hmm.
I see. That's very good. That's very good. That's fantastic. That's fantastic, my dear. Then Achalji, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Allow me to go. It's time to move on. Allow me
Yeah,
to go.
yeah,
Would you
sure.
like to say something? Would you like to say
No,
something?
no. Thanks for thanks for giving me chance to talk with you. It was like dream